Hello everyone. Today I'd like to share about my ideal job in the future. My dream job is to become a creative content strategist. I imagine myself working with brands to design campaigns that inspire people and connect community. This job will involve researching audiences, uh, brainstorming fresh idea, writing compelling story, and collaborating with designer and marketer to bring their idea to life. I will also analyze results to make sure our campaign really make an impact through this job. Well, I will need qualification in communication or marketing. Important skills include writing, storytelling, using digital tools, and analyzing data. So quality required are creativity, curiosity, teamwork, passion, and confidence to present ideas clearly. As for benefits, I expect flexible working hours, a competitive salary, and performance bonus. Most importantly, I hope for personal growth, continue learning, and the satisfaction of seeing my idea come alive. That's in my vision of future and exciting, creative career where passion meet purpose. Thank you for listening.